How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where what you need to do is just go ahead and tap the plus icon from the bottom and then just go ahead and basically select a certain reel or footage or whatever else you would like to create over here. So let's just say a certain post, right? Once I select a certain post over here, I'll just hit the next option here. Again, I'll hit the next option. Right here you can see tag people. When I tap on tag people, here you'll be able to find the option called invite collaborators. So now you can just tap on it, select the invite option, select the people that you want to invite as collaborators, and then you'll be able to invite them. This way you'll be able to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.